I'm overwhelmed by the response I've been getting from my viewers and subscribers. Their constant belief in me that I can create dishes instills confidence in me. They urge me to try various combinations. And this dish is a result of a suggestion from a dear friend and a subscriber. Hope you all like it. Presenting to you Karela ka paratha. And as we all know, it's very healthy, but most of us don't like it. Hope you all start liking it after trying this dish. Thank you. First, take the bitter gourd and peel it like this. Then, de-seed and cut it very fine. Make sure you cut it as small as possible. It's very important for the recipe. Then add some haldi and salt and keep it aside at least for 7 to 8 hours minimum. Best if you cut it the previous night and keep it in the fridge. Then wash it 3 to 4 times like this. This will help in getting rid of the bitterness of the vegetable. Then add it to boiling water with some salt and sugar and let it cook till it's tender. Then strain it and make sure there's no water. Now I'll take you through the rest of the ingredients. We need peanuts, besan, jeera powder, salt, chili powder, fennel, kasturi methi, hing, haldi, amchur powder, coriander, sugar, dhania powder, jeera, garam masala, the bitter gourd and atta. Add some salt and water and knead it to a soft dough. And keep it aside. I forgot to mention earlier, we need mustard oil for this recipe. It's very important to use mustard oil. Then take the peanuts and crush it like this. Now add the mustard oil in a pan Heat the mustard oil till it smokes, as if you do not do so, the oil smell will linger on. Now we are good to use the mustard oil. Add some jeera, fennel, some hing, chili powder, the gram flour, and cook till the raw smell of the flour goes. Now add some dhania powder, the cut vegetable, the cut and boiled vegetable, the peanuts, jeera powder, some sugar, amchur, garam masala and salt. I'm adding some more chili powder. Now you add the kasuti methi and some fresh coriander. Our masala is ready. Now let's start making the paratha. Take some dough and make a round ball and roll it like this. Then add a heapful of the masala. Add a good amount of masala. And we'll remove the excess dough and roll it again. Once the tawa is hot, cook the paratha with some ghee on both the sides. Our paratha is ready. Do try it, friends. So friends, if you have liked this recipe, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends too, and press the bell icon for many more such interesting, different and healthy recipes. Thank you.